In the vast expanse of the internet, content creation has become a symphony of creativity, a cacophony of voices seeking to be heard. Each voice, each creator contributes a unique note, a distinct melody to this digital orchestra. It's a world where storytelling takes on new forms, where bytes and pixels replace ink and parchment. Yet, amid this chorus of content, how does one ensure their voice rings clear? How can one melody rise above the rest? The answer lies not in the song itself, but in the conductor of this digital symphony, the algorithm. Complex equations, unseen puppeteers, they pull the strings, deciding which melodies rise to a crescendo and which fade into the background. These algorithms, they're gatekeepers, determining who gets the spotlight in this grand performance. They're the silent forces shaping our digital journey. We find ourselves in a landscape dominated by algorithms, complex equations that determine the fate of our digital creations. Our journey on this digital frontier is profoundly influenced by the allocation of impressions. In the realm of YouTube, impressions are the lifeblood of visibility. They are the silent heralds that beckon viewers into the corridors of our digital sanctuaries. Think of it as a dance, a delicate ballet where we, the content creators, are the dancers and the algorithms, our choreographers. We perform, guided by the rhythm of these complex mathematical equations, hoping to catch the algorithm's eye. The more impressions we garner, the more visibility we get. It's a performance that requires a careful balance between creativity and strategic understanding. We need to keep the audience captivated, but also ensure that our dance is in sync with the algorithm's rhythm. Our visibility, our reach, and ultimately our success in this digital frontier hinge on this dance. It's an intricate dance, where our fate is entwined with the decision-making processes of code and computation. Consider the artist meticulously crafting a masterpiece in a hidden corner of the internet. Each brushstroke, each pixel, is a testament to their creativity and passion. Yet, their masterpiece remains unseen, unheard, tucked away in the digital shadows. This is the paradox of our digital age, a world where the quality of content does not necessarily equate to visibility. In this digital gallery called YouTube, it's not merely the artist's skill that dictates their success. It's the algorithm, a complex, ever-evolving equation that decides which creations see the light of day and which remain in obscurity. Just like a curator in a prestigious art museum, this algorithm decides which pieces are worthy of public admiration. It's a dance, a delicate balance between the artist's creativity and the algorithm's discretion. The artist paints, the algorithm curates. It's not always fair, it's not always just, but it's the reality we contend with. We navigate a landscape where not all voices are amplified equally, where the algorithmic gods decide who shall bask in the spotlight. In our reality, the YouTube algorithm is our oracle, determining the destinies of our digital endeavors. The oracle in ancient times was a figure of immense power and influence, dictating the course of events with their prophecies. Today, the YouTube algorithm assumes a similar role, guiding our digital destinies with its intricate computations. It's the unseen force that determines who rises to prominence and who remains in the shadows. Just like an oracle, it's enigmatic, its inner workings a mystery to many. But its influence is undeniable. It's the conductor of the digital symphony, deciding which notes get amplified and which ones fade into the background. But remember, while the algorithm may seem daunting, it's not an insurmountable obstacle. It's a challenge, yes, but also an opportunity. It's a chance for us to adapt, to learn, to grow. So as we continue our journey through this digital wilderness, let's keep this in mind. May your creations find favor with the algorithmic deities, and may your voices resonate in the vast algorithmic symphony of the internet. Thank you.